Okay, here we are to regulate, to adjust the air conditioning in the double room. Eccoci di fronte al termostato per regolare l'aria condizionata nella stanza principale. Vedrete la temperatura, basta cliccare in un punto qualsiasi e dare il comando di accensione. Qui potete naturalmente sistemare e regolare la temperatura. So, then again, is switched on. You just do it like this. You go there and then you can regulate, adjust the temperature as you like. You just leave like that and then it works. Of course, to switch it off, it's like this.